What's up, Nasty Cast? It's your man behind the cam, aka Director Nasty, here with another RWBY reaction, Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup.
You nasty.
In Chapter 2, we got to see a lot of students start to gather at Beacon in preparation for the festival. RWBY ran into Cinder, Mercury, and crew for the first time and gave them a good old cheery welcome to Beacon. And I'm pretty sure they have nefarious intentions. On the other side of things, the girls are plotting together to go take down the White Fang after noticing Blake's been, just kind of moping around and being secretive and running around without talking to them again. And Weiss called her out on her stuff. Good job, Weiss. You're a good friend. And so now they're determined to take down the White Fang, but they don't know the impending doom that the White Fang is already right under their noses. We got an introduction to Neptune while the girls were together and playing games. He looks like he's trying to take the Snow Queen, man. The Ice Queen, Snow Queen, both Queen, Winter Queen, whatever. It's cold out. If you made it this far and you haven't already, drop a sub on the channel, drop a like on the video, comment down below what's your favorite part about Volume 2 so far. For me, still the food fart from Chapter 1, because that thing was beautifully done, beautifully done. If you want to catch me live and talk to me about some RWBY, I'm live on Twitch every Monday and Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern, but no spoilers, alright? Check the top pinned comment and the description below for all my socials, including the Discord, the Reddit, and the Patreon where you can find all things nasty. RWBY, Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup coming up next. Hey, just a quick thank you to all the subs on the channel. You members of the Nasty Cast are the driving force that makes all this possible. Catch Director Nasty on Reddit, Patreon, and all other socials in the description below with links. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again.
There's a point where it tips, there's a point where it breaks, there's a point where it bends, and a point we just can't take.
Just can't take.
There's a line that will cross, and there's no return. There's a time and a place, no bridges left to burn.
Oh, pick it up, son. I'm sticking with what I said. The volume 1 intro, I like that one better than this one. I like this part though. Bruh, I'm like so excited for these fights though. I'm excited for these fights.
So, Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat.
Whoa.
And, I've got 2 tickets to that new Bruce Willis movie.
Way.
I hear it's awesome. And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart and I'm
And then
Time out. Are he really going after Weiss?
I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait.
I'm hurt, son. I'm hurt. It's alright, bro.
Did you hear me?
No, yes. One day.
I'm actually quite disappointed in Jean right now.
I thought that class would never end. All right, guys, today's
That's me every day.
investigation begins. I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey,
we've got a plan. That's moderately serious. Right.
What's the plan? Hold on.
Head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I've
Really?
got a friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
It's nice of your Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this.
Is this really a good idea?
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time. So, are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team. Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should Neptune.
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways.
Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
Alright, I'll go with Weiss. You can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister. But Weiss, who would go with you then? Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Uh-huh. Ruby the cockblock, I love it. It's like, nah.
Cross-continental transportation to allow the four countries to communicate with one another. It was their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh, look.
Hilarious.
My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich. Don't be a
It's mean, but it's true.
The only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Oh.
Oh, hey.
Dropped this. Penny? Where have you been?
It's Penny.
Seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry.
Yes, by now. I know she's not a robot. Just a little awkward.
What was that about? I don't know. But I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait! Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks.
Oh.
There seems to be
Oof.
a misunderstanding. What? Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please.
Yo, what's happening right now?
Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
She don't know you.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Why is walk like a boss, bro? She's terrifying. I love it.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
Scroll.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
So you gotta scan your phone to go places. Like student ID? Interesting.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely.
Oh, she's not even from Vale. Huh.
Thank you.
I don't think I knew that till just now. I just assumed everybody was from the area where Beacon is.
How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see.
How much you want to bet Daddy says no?
What may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Transfer to your school
Who you gonna report her to?
That will
Who
be
you gonna tell on? Go tell Daddy?
Would you like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
She don't want to talk to Daddy. Why? Oh, look at that disappointed look. Is he mad at her or is she disappointed at him?
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never
Is she
been
wearing
to another
pants?
country before. My father
Or those leggings? I can't tell.
Too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot.
Believe me, I know the feeling.
But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you.
Oh.
Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was
By
you
who?
upset? No, it wasn't my father.
Spill the beans.
130 has been the standard security model of RWBY for several years, and they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But
Cyborgs?
the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation, and fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it?
He made RoboCops.
Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
Oh, they are an Atlas. I'm dumb. Ha!
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will come out later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce
Oh, God.
the Elysian Paladin.
Oh, hell! Oh, we going full RoboCop.
I have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Yo! That is kind of hype, bro.
Somewhere else.
Oh,
Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Yo! She hit a 4-2, bro. Ha! Why she running from the cops? The hell is going on? Breakable things, really?
This way!
Oh, that's a semblance. Let's go. Oh, jeez. Terrible landing. Oh, hey, hey.
Are you okay?
Oh, wait a minute.
Penny, come back!
Call the police? Did she stop that with her bare hands?
Penny! Please! What is going on?
Come on, spill it, shawty.
How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just
Hiccups.
I can help you. No. You wouldn't understand. Let
I
me
hear
try.
footsteps.
You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise.
Do you want to see a dead body? Stop.
I'm not a real girl.
Oh, I know what? So she is a robot, right? So I was right. It's a robot. Why do YouTube comments said it wasn't a what? Were y'all trolling me? I think the YouTube comments trolled me, bro. So Penny isn't a real girl. I wonder what reactor was watching this and said that. And then the YouTube comments came and said, no, man. She's a real girl. So what's the answer? Is she a real girl or not? Tell me, comment down. Okay, no, don't comment down below. But yo, so that episode was a minor hiccup. As we see, the girls got together to enact their plan of escape. I got sidetracked. First off, Jean's going after Weiss. Weiss? I don't have a problem with Weiss, but Pyrrha's, it's fine. It is what it is. My heartbreak is done. John broke my heart. Hey, yo, John's still a homie, though. Whoever he going after, I'm about it. But he left the good one, man. He left the best of the best, man. But the girls get together to get their plan, to start enacting their plan, which sounds kind of suspect, but it's not. At least they have something planned. And instantly get interrupted by Neptune and Sun, who decide to tag along. And good old RWBY wants to make sure everybody goes with a good partner. And RWBY blocks Weiss from getting a one-on-one chance with Neptune, which was funny. Throughout the episode, we see RWBY just chasing Penny down, trying to figure out what's going on. And eventually we get to the conclusion that Penny's not a real girl. And it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. If you made this far and you haven't already, drop a sub on the channel, drop a like on the video. We drop 3 reactions a week on the channel. Make sure you're watching everything that comes out. Courtesy, you know, your boy Director Nasty. If you want to catch me live, I'm live on Twitch every Monday and Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern. Check the top pinned comment and the description below for all the socials, including the Discord, and the Reddit, and the Patreon. I'm your man behind the cam. Hey, yo, and remember, stay nasty.
You nasty.
I'm never gonna stop grinding. Oh shit!
Quit.
Oh shit, I'm fucked too. Got his ass.
Dude, your cap can't step went off.
Got his ass. Yo, I fucked up so many team gadgets just now. Got her ass.
Oh, that was hilarious.
Bro, I'm a murderer from in here, bro. I'm never taking the silencer off Capcan. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! I am a laser! I am a laser! I'm a fucking laser. I'm a fucking laser. Repeat, I'm a fucking laser.